today we are studying chapter number 3, Indices and Cube Root from subject Mathematics, Standard 8. In this standard, we will study the last remaining point, cube and cube root. So let us study first the meaning of cube. If the number is written 3 times and multiplied with each other, then the product is called cube of that number. Suppose, for example, 5 is written 3 times and multiplied it with each other, then it will be written as 5 raised to 3. It means 5 cube. So let us find out its answer. 5 into 5, its answer is 25 into 5. So if you multiply with these two numbers, you will get answer 125. So this is the answer of 5 cube. Let us solve some example based on it. So first question is, find the cube of 7. So this is written as 7 cube. Multiplied it with 3 times. So multiplication of 7 into 7 is 49. Into 7 is equal to 349. Let us study the next example. Find the cube root of -7. So here -7 is written like this. Multiplied it with 3 times. Put it in bracket to avoid this symbol. So multiplication of minus into minus is equal to plus. 7 into 7, 7 sevens are 49. Take this next -7. Now multiply this symbol. Plus into minus is equal to minus. And multiplication of these two numbers is equal to 343. So always remember that cube of positive number will be positive and that of negative is negative. Let us study the next example. Find the cube of 1.6. Now it is in decimal form. So let us write it down in this manner. Now multiplication of 16 into 16. So let us multiply it. 16 into 16 is equal to 256. So here there are two decimal points, decimal places, 1 and 2. So count from this unit place and after 2 digit put here decimal symbol into this 1.6. So its multiplication is 256 into 1.6 is equal to 4096. So again count its decimal places 1, 2 and 3. So from this unit place 1, 2, 3 and after 3 put here decimal point. Let's see the next one. Find the cube of 0.3. So again write it down in this multiplication form. Now multiply these first two numbers. 3 3s are 9. Now here two decimal places are here, 1 and 2. But here only one unit place is here. So create here second place, 1, 2, put here decimal point and take here 0. So its multiplication is 0.09 into 0.3. Now multiply 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. So again count these decimal places 1, 2 and 3. So again here only two places are here in our answer. So create third one. So 1, 2, 3 places, put here decimal point and write down here 0. So this is the cube of 0.3 cube. Now see the next example. Cube of 0.012 and this is the multiplication. Here we write down this number 3 times and multiply it. So let us find out first this multiplication. You know square of 12 is equal to 144. Okay. Now count these places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places are here after decimal point. So 1, 2, 3. Here I am creating 4, 5, 6, and after 6 place 1 decimal point and this 0. So this is the answer of this product. Now again multiply with last number. You will get its answer 1728. Okay, multiplication of 144 into 12. So now next step is count these decimal places. These are 6 places, 7, 8, 9. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 9th place, and after 9th place put here decimal point and write down here 0. So this is the answer of this cube of 0.012. Next question is cube of this rational number minus 4 upon 3. So again multiply these minus into minus, it will become plus. Now you know 4 4s are 16 and here 3 3s are 9. So this is the multiplication of first number. Now multiply with again this symbol, plus into minus, minus. You know 16 4s are 64 and 3 9s are 27. So here you get minus symbol. So this is the answer of minus 4 upon 3 cube. Next point, cube root. Cube root is exactly opposite action of cube. So let us find out first cube root of 125. We can find out this answer by simply using factorization method. So here I am using factorization of 125. So first factorize it. So here at unit place 5 is here. So obviously this number is divisible by 5. So you will get here answer 5 2s are 10, remainder 2. This 5 will make it 25. So again 5 5s are 25. Again it is divisible by 5. So 5 5s are 25. 5 is divisible by 5 and our answer is 1. Okay. So this is the factors of 125. So here I am writing down this meaning of this statement as cube root of 125 is equal to, here I am using it again, this symbol, cube root symbol, and here I am writing this factors of 125. So these are multiplied with each other at by 3 times. So here I am creating a group of these 3 same number. So you know this 5 into 5 into 5 can be written as 5 cube. So again this cube and cube root both are opposite action. So it will eliminate and we will get here only 5. So this is the answer of cube root of 125. Let us study the next example. Find the cube root of minus 1331. So now it is minus symbol is given here. So put it for some time aside beside it. So let us write down or let us find it out. Its factor first. So factorize it and try to use some test of number. See, it is not even number, therefore it is not divisible by 2 as well as 4. Add this number 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8. So this addition is not, the addition is 8. This addition is not divisible by 3 and 9. So this number is not divisible by 3 and 9. Again use here test of 4. You know, if the number at last two places, that is unit and 10 place, that is 31. This 31 is divisible by 4 or not? No, it is not completely divisible by 4. So obviously this number is also not divisible by 4. So here I am adding this alternate number. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, and this 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and subtract it. If this subtraction is equal to 0, otherwise 11, then this number is divisible by 11. So its answer is 0. So obviously this number is divisible by 11. So I am using this test of 11. So you will get here answer 11 ones are 11, remainder 2. So these 3 will make it 23. So 11 twos are 22. Our remainder is 1, and this 1 will become 11, and these 11 ones are 11. So again 121 is divisible by 11. So we will get here again answer 11. This 11 is again divisible by 11, and we can factorize it like this. So let us write down the meaning of this number or this sentence, that is cube root of minus 1331. So you know this next step. Here we have to write down this factorization. So here I am using now this negative symbol. So again this number you can pair it in in one group. So you can write this pair or write this group as like this. So again this cube and cube root both are exactly opposite. So our answer is only this number, that is minus 11. So therefore this is the answer of cube root of minus 1331. Let us find out the new number. Our next question is cube root of these two number. This is our rational number. So let us find out cube root of 729. So here I am factorizing it, 729, and factorize it. Now you know that this number is not divisible by 2 and 5 because it is not even, and 5 is not here, otherwise 0 is not here. So here I am checking it for test of 3 and 9. So add it, you will get its addition is 18. So 18 is divisible by 3 and 9 also. So here I am using first 9. So 9 8s are 72, remainder 0. Take this 9 next. 9 ones are 9. So 81 is again divisible by 9. So we will get here these factors. So let us find out for 2197 and check some test of number. I am using first test of 2. See, it is not even, so it is not divisible by 2 and 4 also. Here I am checking for 3 and 9. Its addition is 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 9 12, 12 plus 7 19. So 19 is not divisible by 3 and 9 also. Here I am checking for 11. So its alternate addition is 11 minus 8, which is equal to 3. So yes, it is not again 0 or 11. So again this number is not divisible by 11. Now you know that the cube of 11 is 1331 and cube of 16 is 4096. So this number lies in between this number. So there are 12, 13, 14 and 15 numbers are there, lies in these two numbers. So again 15 is not possible because here 5 is not here. So check it for these 12, 13 and 14. You know that the cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is equal to 9, and cube of 4 is equal to 64. So at unit place, which number lies here? Here cube of 3 is 27. So here 7 number is here. So therefore this number is divisible by 13. I am using here test of 13. So after division you will get here answer 169. So again 169 is divisible by 13. So this is our answer. Therefore here I am writing cube root of 729 divided by 2197 is equal to cube root of, here now I am writing these factors, 13 into 13 into 13. So we will get here 9 upon 13 bracket cube. Therefore our answer is 9 divided by 13. Let us solve the next question. Cube root of 0.03375. So first convert this number into rational number. Here I am writing this number 3375, and here I am dividing it by using this number of zeros. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So here I am taking 6 zeros. So you can convert this number into this rational number. Now factorize this number. Obviously this number is divisible by 5. So here I am using test of 5, and after solving we will get these factors. So here I am writing this factor 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 divided by, here 6 zeros are here, so I can pair it. So by using 100 into 100 into 100, we can convert this number as 5 into 3, because here I am taking group of 3 and here also group of 3. So 5 into 3 divided by 100 raised to 3. Again this cube root and cube will get cancelled, will get eliminate, and we will get here only 5 into 3 divided by 100. So here 5 3s are 15 divided by 100. So if you convert it into decimal places, we will get here we will take decimal of 2 decimal places. So here I am taking this decimal point, and our answer is 0.15.